You get a great performance that's better for your bills thanks to the A+ energy rating of this Grundig dishwasher. A 5-year guarantee for parts and labour offers long-term protection, assuring you of the build quality and durability, so you can enjoy absolute peace of mind. You can opt for a quick 58-minute wash that gets through a full load at 60 degrees. Ideal for when you're pushed for time, you get sparkling results in less than an hour. With fully adjustable baskets, the upper basket can be adjusted, the cup and plate support can fold away, and the sliding cutlery drawer can move or be taken out, ensuring that you have full flexibility to easily create space where you need it. A 14-place setting capacity ensures that this dishwasher from Grundig can easily handle even the biggest of dinner parties.